just because it's a bubble doesn't mean you shouldn't invest. That's all going to be positive in the for the U.S. In terms of pushing our economy in a good direction. The other thing, last thing too, is don't forget job losses are going to be pretty big. That's good. That's unavoidable. You're going to have losses from this whole situation with the government shutdown. You've already got companies that are freezing their hiring because they're trying to figure out what to do with AI. They are not hiring college graduates like they used to, which is why your black children should be taught to start a business and master AI. And then in addition to that, when they measure little things like the quit rate, they have something called the quit rate where they measure how often people quit their job and how long it takes them to get a new job if they quit their current job. Well, two things that they found. Number one, when people quit their jobs, it's taking longer to find a new job. That's the first thing. Second thing is that people are quitting their jobs at a much lower frequency than before. So the economy's shifting in that direction. So keep an eye out on that. And this is yet another reason why stock market investors, in almost every economy, the stock market investors are the ones who win. If they don't win this year, they win within 5 to 10 years in almost every case. So that's one of the reasons why I encourage you to consider investing in the stock market. It's hard to build wealth without doing that. Now, a couple quick things I want to mention really quickly is I do have a book, in case you don't know. It's called The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power. It's an Amazon bestseller. There are also flashcards that go with it in case you want to teach our economic principles to your children. My primary goal is to increase wealth in the black community, but it doesn't mean you have to be black to be here. But you got to know that I'm a black man. I'm not going to apologize for it. As long as you can accept me as a black man, then I can accept you too. And so you can go to drboycebooks.com if you'd like to take a look at the flashcards, workbooks, and other materials that we have from our Black Financial Therapy Department, things like that. Number two, those of you that are interested in using stock options as a way to generate income, I can tell you, I've mentioned a lot of times, I'll keep mentioning this. This is the best, most efficient way to make money that I've ever seen. And so if you want to join us, we're going to meet for class this week. You can go to drboyceprime.com. For those of you that are already enrolled, two things I want to mention. One, I finally got the app fixed. I finally created the Dr. Boyce options income calculator where you can put in a ticker symbol and it'll show you how much income you can generate from that stock. I tested it again today and I think it's working. I think I finally got it to work. So I'll release that in class in a couple of days. And then the second thing, too, there was something else. Oh, yeah, I put together a couple of fast cash action plans on some stocks that I'm actually generating income from right now. And if you apply these plans, I try to lay it out in as simple of a framework as possible. And if you do these plans, you can actually start making money on Monday. So feel free to take a look at that, drboyceprime.com, if you'd like to follow us and join us. You can also text the word options to the number 87948. So that's options with an S to 87948. So let me give you a couple stocks that I think will benefit if these predictions are true. Again, note this is not investing advice. Nothing is guaranteed. Never forget that all investing always involves risk. Give me a yes if you understand that. I always ask you that, and I ask you to tell me yes that you understand that investing involves risk because I want you to get used to taking risk. I want you to get used to trying and failing. I want you because trying and failing is the only way you can succeed. So give me a yes in the chat if you understand that investing involves risk, investing involves risk, investing involves risk. I want to always tell you about the downside so that when we're celebrating the upside, we don't forget to be careful, right? You got I believe in being careful. Don't roll the dice and bet it all. That's a good way to go broke. All right. So here's a couple of stocks that are expected to do well if this manufacturing and productivity boom happens the way some experts are predicting. Number one is Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT.